Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedren. Now, wide-scale celebrations for reggae icon Bob Marley. The main event took place yesterday to celebrate what would have been Bob's 73rd birthday under the theme Soul Rebel. The Bob Marley Museum venue was alive as early as 7 a.m. with a full day of activities. Enjoy the highlights of performances from the main event, including a live streaming performances from Skip Marley, Stephen Marley, among others.
We are the lions, we are the chosen, we're gonna shine out of the door. For my strong herbs from my wine, money for my strong that until there are no longer, we're first class, no second class citizens of every nation.
Take the money to the crime, the blame is on you. What if you spend any time you come now?
Come and ask the for 19 days. Wake up, rise us the for 19 days. Love so nice, give it ever why. I'm sad, nothing again, never heard so nice. Tell me why it hurts so bad. I get so great, is him, I know the greatest again.
Dancehall artist Born to Killer yesterday handed over 60 beds to the Kingston Public and Victoria Jubilee hospitals. The artist decided to play his part after seeing several heartrending stories about the conditions of Jamaica's health sector. The beds came at a high cost, however, he was granted a waiver from the Ministry of Finance, which allowed him to get the beds into the country hassle-free. Born to Killer has expressed his intent to continue the initiative, which he describes as the start of what he has to offer to the health industry.
Launching of the Bounty Foundation, because you know, always involved in charity, contributing a service or donating, but I've never formed a foundation. So for the poor people governor, formally you should have a foundation. So this is the inception of the Bounty Foundation, officially. Saw it on the news where they said they need beds, and then this doctor friend overseas who said he had this connection where he could get beds and other equipment, but this is what we could afford at the time, and then we see that the beds was more needed. So we took the initiative of getting the beds, and the government waived the cost. So it was a good partnership, government working with the initiative, so we said, all right, let's do it. So it was supposed to be 100. So we are the next 37 to come very soon. We want to encourage other people in wider society, whatever you can do, just think about giving back something. If even $1, it doesn't matter.
That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedren. Thank you for watching.